All presiding Judge Grumpy Butt. What case do we have? Six-time award winner. Know this young lady there with all of those vehicles? Yes, I do. That's Miss Thibodeau. She had OptiCoat Pro on those before. Opti-schmopti, I don't do that here in this court. Her 3 vehicles have been coated before. Now she has a new one. I order her to have Ceramic Pro Gold. Court adjourned. Ceramic Pro it is, Your Honor. 4 rounds of 9H hardness, 1 round of top coat. Ceramic Pro, top tier ceramic coating, been performing year after year. She went from OptiCoat to Ceramic Pro. Why Ceramic Pro? Because the multi-layered system works. Oh my God, no more scrubbing bugs. Oh, no more tar ruining the clear coat. Oh, no more swirl marks. No scratches, no swirls, no scratches, no swirls. That's a lie. Scratch resistant, not scratch proof, but no swirls if you take care of it the way that I teach you to. So nonetheless, guys, yeah, lifetime warranty. Why lifetime? Because annual inspection will make it so. I'll ensure that the coating is performing year after year. Registered on Carfax. Bam, done. Instant notoriety for its durability and its performance. Professional ceramic coatings work. Get on board.